everyone! Thank you for tuning in to my channel. And thanks to all my subscribers for always watching my videos. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much. Today, we will talk about Sansevieria at kilala rin sa tawag na snake plants. If you are interested with my topic today, please keep on watching. Before we proceed to our topic, and you are new to my channel, please take time to hit like and subscribe, and click the bell button so you get updated whenever I share a new video. Let's start with buying your plants. Napakaraming varieties ng Sansevieria or snake plants na pwede nating pagpilian, around 70 species. What I have here are 6 varieties: Laurentii, Moonshine, Gold Flame, Lady Charm, Bonsel, and Whalefin. You can easily differentiate them through their shapes and variegations. This is Laurentii. Laurentii. It can be recognized by its elongated evergreen foliage with yellow variegated edges. At ito ay tumataas up to 2 feet or 20 to 30 inches tall, katulad din ng tree fasciata. But unfortunately, I don't have a sample here of tree fasciata, but I will just show you the picture. Here. You can easily see the difference. As you can see, walang yellow edges si tree fasciata. Just pure evergreen in color, but they have the same pattern of light and dark green foliage. See? Next, the Moonshine. Moonshine. It is a cultivar of tree fasciata, also known as silver snake plants. Ito ay may unique na kulay na pale silver green-gray foliage with faint bands across the leaves. See, ayan o, yung mga green-green dyan. And dark green margins. Ito o, sa gilid niya. It will add elegance and texture to your home and office. It is also eye-catching as a contrast plant kung i-display natin na kasama ng iba pang snake plants na darker ang color. This is a slow-growing plant and grows ultimately up to 60 to 70 centimeter or 2 feet tall. We also have Gold Flame. This is considered as one of the newest Sansevieria hybrids, also known as Futura Superba. This is a dwarf selection that has irregular rosette form, and the variegated leaves has marble patterns with gold edges. It is very similar to Laurentii, except that Gold Flame has broader leaves and is a dwarf form of Laurentii. It is a slow-growing plant that grows about 15 to 20 centimeter or 8 inches tall. This is Lady Charm. The foliage looks like Bacularis and other Sansevieria cylindrica. See? But the difference is it has short leaves that spread out like a fan. It does not grow as tall as other Sansevieria cylindrica, and it only grows up to 15 to 20 centimeter or 8 inches tall. And meron din tayong Bonsel. Bonsel is a dwarf cultivar of Sansevieria cylindrica. It has a fat, round, and silver banded leaves. It is also short at korteng mga daliri, and produce offset that will fit the pot with similar fan-like growth. It doesn't grow as tall as Sansevieria cylindrica, but if grown in bright and enough light, it can grow up to 90 centimeters or 3 feet tall, according to my research. And last, we have whalefin, also known as Sansevieria Masoniana. As you can see, it has a unique shape, unlike other Sansevieria. Ito ay malapad and looks like a paddle. At ito ay may pattern na dark and light green with leaf margins of pinkish red color. See, ayan, sa gilid. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ayan. Sansevieria is a low-maintenance plant and almost indestructible, as it is very well known as a hard-to-kill plant. These are considered as semi-succulent plants, so we must be careful when it comes to watering, that I will discuss later. You can choose from your garden shops which is best for you. You can also choose from the cheapest one, which is Laurentii or Tripasciata, which is common and the most popular one that can be found in any garden shops. Or you can choose a pricey one, which is the Bonsel, and the price range depending on the size of the plant. Or you can buy not so expensive and not so cheap one like whalefin or moonshine. At ang presyo ay depende rin sa laki at kapal ng halaman. And this Lady Charm maybe is the cheapest, but because I got mine as a freebie from a supplier where I used to buy some of my plants, so I have no idea how much they are selling this. But with 70 species and more, you can choose which one is best for you and which one you can afford to buy. Snake plants is best for you if you only have a small space, like if you're living in a condominium, because it grows horizontally and it won't occupy too much space. These plants is not only strategically placed for decorations in your homes and offices, not only to maintain feng shui because it attracts positive energy and good luck, but these plants also have health benefits because it improves air quality that we breathe. So I would suggest to have these plants inside your house or in your garden, because according to NASA, these plants are very good air purifier. And what is unique about this particular plant is that it's one of the few plants that can convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. So, it's better to place them inside our rooms so it can do the job while we are sleeping. It also removes toxic pollutants like benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. With the ability to absorb and remove harmful toxins, snake plants can act as effective defense against airborne allergies. So, This is best for people with asthma like me. Kaya kung sino man ang may mga asthma dyan, mas mabuti na maglagay tayo ng mga snake plants sa paligid ng ating mga tahanan. Moving on to care tips. Perhaps one of the most popular reason people include snake plants in their decor is that they are low maintenance, requiring little attention to grow. Even you neglect them for a while, they are very forgiving. They are resilient, hardy plants, and can survive even in relatively dry environments, both indoor and outdoor. So, if you are planning to have snake plants, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Do not overwater. And that is the number one rule. Because too much water is the weakness of these plants. Place them in a well-draining pot and a well-draining potting mix. You can also use soilless mixture to avoid overwatering, as it can cause root rots. Only water the soil when it's completely dry. Take care not to water the center of the rosette of the leaves because they will rot easily if we keep it wet. Don't let them stand in water by removing the excess water from the tray. Next is lightings. There's no issue about the lights because they can thrive in any lights. You can place them in bright light to full direct sunlight. And they can also tolerate low light and even the darkest area of your house. Next is humidity. Although they can survive in dry environments, it's still best for them to place in humid places or mist the leaves by using spray bottle, especially in the summer. The more water you supply the blooms, the healthier it will be. And last but not the least, clean the leaves regularly with wet, clean cloth to remove the dust being absorbed to perform well as an air purifier. Okay, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you learned something and enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Thank you so much. Be safe and healthy. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.